So everybody does this a little bit different. I think this is the easiest way with the least amount of messing around to do it. All right. You're going to add a plus and a minus blank in after your middle term in your function. All right. In your equation. All right. Because we're going to do this right here, we're going to like add 2 and then subtract 2. That's the same thing as adding 0. All right. A lot of times in math, we're multiplying by 1 or adding by 0 in strange ways because if I add 0, I'm not doing anything to the equation. All right. But if I do it in different pieces, maybe I can play around with the equation and make it look differently, but it's the same equation. All right. Same way I multiply by 1 and some other things that we do that maybe no one ever explained to you. But what we're doing here is we're adding 0 in an interesting way so that we can mess around with this. Okay. Now, this basically is the same thing as completing the square. All right. So we are going to take 1/2 of b, square it, get the number. All right. We're going to place that number in the blanks. Okay. And then we're going to do some factoring and playing around with some stuff. And then we're going to get the coordinates out of there. All right. So just like completing the square, all right, it sounds really complicated. Once you practice, it's a few basic steps that you just go through and do. And then the answer is just there for you at the end. All right. So the next video, I'll show you how to do one, and then we'll get to work solving a few of these. I probably got 8 or 9 examples out there for you to look at.